Cassie, I always feel bad for folks on that first day of school because it's always just a mess with the buses and, where do I go? Where's the carpool line and all of that? And when you add rain to it, that could not be so pretty tomorrow morning. So best of luck to all of you who are going to try to navigate it.
Yeah, I mean, the rain just causes all sorts of problems.
Yeah.
I mean, on a normal sunny day, people can't drive, right? But
Amen.
It just makes it even worse when you add the rain to it, and just more of a nuisance than anything. And unfortunately, it looks like that could be the case for a lot of us once we get into tomorrow morning. Today, we obviously had that one round of showers and thunderstorms that made its way through North Texas, and we even had a little bit of severe weather. Technically, we had a severe storm, but I didn't see any severe wind gust. Today, we did make it to 92 degrees, but the normal 97, so the rain did us a favor there. We ended up with a little under 0.6 of an inch of rain officially at the airport. This is our DBU camera, and we do have mostly clear skies right now, but not for long. Eventually, overnight tonight, clouds will increase ahead of the storms that will be moving in. Right now, we're at 79 degrees in Sherman, 83 in Denton, 79 in Waxahachie, 81 right now in Mineral Wells. Here's the deal. We now have a marginal risk of seeing these thunderstorms that will be moving into the Metroplex overnight and into tomorrow morning. Again, it's going to be a marginal risk. Right now, I think we're going to see wind gusts up to about 60 miles an hour. But the farther west you go, now we've got that slight risk category from Bowie down to Decatur, Mineral Wells, down to Eastland. And that is where I think we have the highest threat of actually seeing 70-mile-per-hour winds. Right now, the severe storms that we're watching, they are northwest Oklahoma. They are moving southeast, roughly at about 30 miles an hour. They have a damaging wind threat. As far as hail, this is not going to be a big hail maker. Maybe some pea-sized hail. It's kind of what we were seeing earlier today. That was very isolated. This is going to be more of a wind threat than anything. We also have those thunderstorms moving towards Amarillo, but this is the complex of storms that I'm more concerned about with impacting North Texas overnight and into tomorrow morning. So doing a storm track, again, on these storms, I have it moving southeast at about 30 miles an hour, but it's a long way from here. So the timing of this could change. It's just kind of a rough estimate. This could slow down, this could speed up. But for now, we're going to say around Denton at about 518, McKinney at 552, and Dallas-Fort Worth at 601. So right now, satellite and radar across North Texas, we are in the clear, but eventually we are expecting those rain and storms to move in. The latest timeline showing by 6 o'clock, we do have the showers and storms moving into the northern part of the Metroplex, making its way through the heart of the Metroplex by 7. So again, this is going to be rush hour. By 8 o'clock, still looking at scattered showers and thunderstorms. By 10 o'clock, the worst of it looks to be just to the south and west, so some stronger storms near Mineral Wells down towards Stephenville. By 4 o'clock in the afternoon, we're looking pretty quiet. So later in the day, it looks like the rain and storm chances pretty much go away. This is primarily going to be an early day morning event. Tonight, temperatures drop down into the low to mid 70s. Tomorrow afternoon, it still looks pretty warm. Once the rain moves out, temperatures will have some opportunity to make it into the low to mid 90s. But here's the thing. We're going to be staying in the low 90s even on Tuesday. Temperatures stay below normal for a few more days. This nicer weather doesn't last forever. By the time we get to Thursday and to Friday, temperatures now back in the upper 90s, but this is actually a lot closer to normal than not. 2 degrees above normal by the time we get to Friday. So for tonight, well after midnight, storms will redevelop. We're talking gusts to 60 miles an hour in the Metroplex. The higher wind gust right now, I think that stays just to the west. Tomorrow afternoon, mostly cloudy. Storms will be a possibility, especially early in the day, but in the afternoon and evening, I think that chance will lessen quite a bit. Low 90s on Tuesday, back in the mid 90s on Wednesday. We're dry the rest of the week, but that also means we will be heating things back up. The second half of that 14-day, we have a couple of days in there where we have rain chances, but we're still way too far out to actually determine if that's actually going to happen or not. We'll fine tune it as we get closer. It is trending drier, it's trending hotter, but I just want everyone to make sure that they stay where they're aware in the morning. It could get a little messy. The storms are already in Oklahoma. They will be making their way to North Texas overnight and into tomorrow morning.
We know that Daybreak will have it covered, and you have prepared us well. We know what's on its way. All right, Cassie, thank you.